Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Karishma from EduRising Private Limited. In today's video, we are going to talk about University of Bristol. University of Bristol was founded in the year 1876. It is located in southwest England. ये एक पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी है जिसकी QS वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग 55 है और कंट्री रैंक 9 है. It is a Russell Group University. Its main campus is based in Clifton in the city of Bristol. It was the first higher education institution in England to admit women on an equal basis to men. Bristol is home to around 30,000 students, 8,000 staff from over 150 countries. Across 6 faculties, it offers more than 600 UG and PG degrees in a comprehensive range of subjects. So altogether there are 3 campuses. They are Frenchay campus, City campus and Glenside campus. The acceptance rate in the University of Bristol is 67%. This university is famous for engineering, medical sciences and arts programs. They also have a regular bus services which connects the city to the campus. This university is located at the heart of the city Bristol. The multicultural city is home to from more than 187 countries. And London is just 90 minutes far by train. So the name of the scholarship is Think Big About Education Scholarship. This scholarship amount is 13,000 GBP, which is a huge amount. Any nationality can avail the scholarship. There are also part-time work facility available. 15 hours per week for UG students and 20 hours per week for PG students. You're also getting PSW, which is post-study work visa of 2 years. So once you complete your studies, you can stay back for 2 years and look for a job. So this is very important. A white paper is proceeded in British Parliament to reduce the post-study work visa from 2 years to 18 months. But then you can avail the post-study work visa which is for 2 years. So to enroll for this session, you can call us on the given number. Now let's talk about the course fees. So the course fee starts from 20 lakhs to 40 lakhs depending on the course, and this fees is for per year. So a fund is required. If you're taking admission within London, it will be 15 lakhs. And if you're taking admission outside London, it will be 13 lakhs. Now let's discuss why you should choose Bristol University. So at Bristol University, you will find lots and lots of Indian students. तो यहाँ पे एक आपको फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा. इसी के साथ साथ they have an excellent faculty, top-notch infrastructure, and you will also get financial support through scholarships. Bristol is one of only 2 universities in the UK to offer full NHS GP practice on-site through our student health services. You will get a safe student environment, excellent career prospects, worldwide alumni network, and lifelong learning. So all in all, it's a great package for you to grab right now. If you want to enroll for intake, then do call us on the given number. Thank you.